Here we have a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X 4x4. Comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, a beautiful black color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, power locks, windows and mirrors. You have memory seat functions, black leather upholstery all throughout, power driver lumbar support. Top one inside. Left side we have an air vent. Got your headlight controls, fog lights, digigauge cluster dimming controls. Left hand side of the steering wheel have our Bluetooth controls, buttons to control what we're seeing on our digital gauge, paddle shifters, front and rear wiper controls, adaptive cruise control functions, paddle shifter again. Coming to the infotainment, have AM, FM, Sirius XM, as well as Bluetooth auxiliary and a couple of USB inputs for your sources there. We have dual zone electronic climate control functions here, as you can see. Heated seats of driver and passenger, heated steering wheel, backup camera. Hop into our settings, display units, voice, clock, camera, safety and driving assistance here. Got your lane sense, warning and strength, your park sense for the front and the rear, braking assist, paddle shifters, blind spot, and your hill start assist. Also have full nav available here as well, fully responsive to touch as well. Your apps, some things kind of we ran through just in its own individual pages, projection manager, heated steering wheel, nav, settings, phone, all that kind of fun stuff. Air vents to either side of it as well. Moving on down, got your hazard lights, dual zone, automatic climate control functions, volume and tuner rocker. This is your active park sense audio here as well, traction control, sport mode, eco mode, auto start stop. Transmission shifter, 2 cup holders, got your different drive modes. You got snow, sand, auto, mud, rock, 4-wheel drive low and hill descent control. Center console with a 12 volt, dual moonroof going all the way back there. Have our moonroof controls, garage door openers, trunk opener, interior lighting options, sunglass holder, and the auto dimming rear view mirror, which also has an SOS assist button on the bottom. Let's take a look outside. Here at the front, have our headlights, black finish grille, front parking sensors, hood vents. Got your gloss black Jeep alloy rims, paint matching door handles and mirrors, keyless entry feature, got mud flaps, rear tinted windows, black roof rails, 4x4 badge on the left, rear parking sensors, dual exhaust, limited X badge on the right. Power trunk opens up nice and easy there for us. 60-40 split for the rear seats as well. Open this up, spare tire and lift kit. Let's go take a look at the back seats. Some of the back seats have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, that same leather upholsteries we have in the front. Mesh inserts, air vents, USB inputs, 115 volt AC input. Let's head back outside. That'll wrap it up for the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4x4 in a beautiful black color. If you have any questions or want to book a test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.